Yo, what's going on, you guys? Carlos here. Welcome to the Social Success System training video. Now, this video is for course creators that are struggling to bring in leads and want to make a consistent $10,000 to $30,000 per month while working less. Now, right off the rip, I just want to start off by saying I have nothing to sell you. So everything in this video is for you to learn, be a sponge, take away as much information as you can. Again, I have nothing to sell you. I do have a coaching offer, but that is only for those that are serious about scaling to this number and are struggling to do it alone. So what exactly will this training cover? In this training, we'll be covering the old way versus the new way of growing your personal brand and your online courses. I'll also be breaking down my social success system and how it works. Now, if you came from one of my ads, if you just landed on this video on YouTube, you might be asking yourself, who is this guy? So who am I? My name is Carlos Lopez, first and foremost. And in 2018 to 2021, I sold a day trading course that has now made over $400,000 in online sales. If you don't believe me, if you're coming from Instagram, just click the highlight that says $400,000 in sales, or you can just click the link in the description, watch the results video, which is going to link you. Sorry, that's a little loud, which is going to link you to this video of how I sold $400,000 with my courses and how you can do the same. By selling these online courses, this is what's allowed me to live a remote lifestyle. I'm able to run a business where I work for only 2 to 4 hours per day. And this has also allowed me to do something that I enjoy every single day. I get to lead, I get to teach, I get to share, which is something that I'm very, very passionate about. So what exactly do I do now? Now in 2023, I help course creators by attracting their ideal clients, adding an additional 10 to 30K in profit, making more money while working less. Minimum 10 to 20 hours per week, because my philosophy is, what's the point of making that much money if you can't enjoy it? If you can't share it with your loved ones, spend time with friends and family, do the things that you're really passionate about, finding new hobbies, and just cultivating the lifestyle of your dreams. Now, why am I giving this away? Simple. I want to make a shit ton of money. I also want to run a business I enjoy, which is currently my coaching business. I also want to be the coach that I needed when I started my online journey. I want to be the coach that could have helped me piece together everything to scale even further and much faster. Next, my goal is to build a community of people that can help and inspire each other, because I believe you can run a lot faster with a lot of people with you than you can run alone. I also want to dominate the coaching and online education space as a team. I want to build an empire of high-level individual people, because what's the point of sitting at the top when it's just you alone? I'd rather sit at the top with 10, 20, 30 different people all around me, all in different niches, all in different fields, which is why I want to work with course creators. I want people around me that are equipped with so many different skill sets in so many different areas of expertise. So that's going to be a quick little introduction. Next, we're going to be going over the old way versus the new way of scaling and marketing your online courses. So first, we're going to go over the old way. The old way is very straightforward. It is called direct response marketing. Problems with this: first of all, you're pushing leads to a page to either make a purchase or directly book a call with you without building a connection or trust with that person. It comes off way too salesy. Whenever you're doing any type of direct marketing ads, just pay attention for them on your feed moving forward after this video. You can see they just come off way too salesy. These are the ones that people ignore and typically don't buy from. Next, you're typically running some sort of complicated funnel system inside of your business, which can get very confusing to operate, especially in the online course space. There's a lot of opt-in forms, a lot of VSLs. They get very repetitive, and I feel like as time moves on, yes, funnels are very, very effective. direct response can still work, but I believe it only works at scale. It only works after you've built your personal brand. It only really works after people know who you are, what you do, and have a connection with you, which isn't what this funnel really does. Direct response doesn't really allow you to build that connection and that trust while growing your business. So as you guys can see at the bottom, this is a traditional direct response funnel. So you have your traffic source on the left. So whatever the case may be, whatever you choose to use, that's totally up to you. As you guys can see, I have all social media platforms on the left, or at least the ones that people focus on. So our goal is to get that traffic to click our ad. Once they click our ad, we are going to qualify that lead. Once we get that prospect into a qualified lead, they then proceed to the funnel. Next, they land on the VSL page, some sort of VSL training. Typically, these videos are very value driven with huge guarantees that almost feel impossible for these businesses to fulfill in order for them to book a call to pitch their high ticket service or product, or simply purchase that product straight out. Now, as you guys can see, this funnel is it's sketchy, right? Just looking at it, there's no trust, there's no nurturing process, there's no connection actually built from that business owner or that business to the clients or the business that they're trying to sell to, which is why I think the new way is the way to go moving forward. It's very simple, very straightforward, easy to understand, and allows you to build massive success within your business. So with the social success system, this is the new way of marketing and growing your business, scaling your online courses. This allows you to get your ideal client persona to get to know you in a more quote unquote organic manner. Consume your content before pitching anything to that person. It also builds a connection, it builds trust, it builds authority all at once. It also allows you to grow your personal brand on top of your business. So as you're making money, you're gaining more followers, you're gaining more subscribers, and it's just a matter of consistency and doing it over and over, putting your reps in. And by the end of the year, you'll be sitting on a stack of cash, a good audience that you cultivated, that you found, and now trusts you and wants to work with you. You're also dominating two platforms at once that offer the greatest ROI. What exactly does this social success system look like? This is it. Very simple, very straightforward to follow and understand. The two assets that you're going to need inside of your business in order for this to work is Instagram and YouTube. Now, you can use Twitter, you can use TikTok, but in my experience, Instagram has more qualified people. TikTok is more of a younger audience, not much people with cash ready to buy, ready to purchase, which is why I stick to Instagram. And they have the Facebook Meta platform, which allows you to market a lot easier to your ideal client persona. Next, we have YouTube. What YouTube allows us to do with Instagram is nurture the fuck out of our audience. We get to make videos that they're looking for, videos that they need in order to scale their business. You get to directly solve that problem for that prospect with your YouTube channel. Next, you need to understand the niche that you're in. So if you're selling an online course, you need to know, am I Amazon FBA? Am I drop shipping? Am I day trading? Am I appointment setter? Am I a remote closer? You need to figure out what it is that you are focused in, where your area of expertise is, which is going to be whatever your course is about. Next, you need to understand the problem that you're solving for your ideal client persona. So for example, when I was selling my day trading courses, the problem I was solving was lack of knowledge, lack of information. I was educating people on how to make more money through day trading. And if you're selling an online course, you're going to be solving a problem in one of the 4 pillars, which is health, wealth, love, and happiness. You're going to be solving some sort of problem within one of those 4 categories. Once we understand that, boom, we have the top of the funnel. So the top of the funnel is going to be using Instagram ads specifically to find your ideal client persona and bring them to your optimized Instagram page. Once we attract that client, our goal is to gain that follow. The reason we want to gain that follow is because not just anyone is going to follow us once they see our ads. We're going to be making targeted Instagram ads. I wanted you to find this video. I wanted you to find my page in order to get this information. Chances are you followed me by now. If you haven't followed me and you're watching this video, that's kind of crazy. You should definitely follow me, especially for the amount of value I'm giving. But anyways, our goal is to get that follower. Once we gain that follower, we want to do some research on that person. We're going to check out their profile, see what they do, see who they serve, see who they help. If they fit our ideal client persona, we're going to shoot them a DM and get to know that person. We want to know their goals. We want to know who they serve, who they help. For example, if you're selling an online course, you want to know simply just their goals. If they want to make more money, if they want to improve their finances, if they want to improve their relationships, if they want to find more meaning in their life, etc., whatever the case may be. We're going to start a conversation with that person. From there, chances are if they followed us, they click the link in our bio, especially if our bio is optimized, which is why you need an optimized page. It's going to be optimized to bring them to our YouTube channel. From there, our YouTube channel should be jam-packed with content, value for that person to absorb, to learn, to build that trust, build that authority, build that connection with that person. Your videos are going to be geared towards your ideal prospects. Always, every video you make, you want to make sure that it's geared towards your ideal prospects in some way, shape, or form. So for example, for myself, if I was still selling my day trading courses, I'm going to make day trading videos. I'm going to make videos on me sniping gold, XAU USD. I'm going to make videos on how I fund an account, how I get my account from X to Y. I'm going to make videos on how I got my account from 0 to blank, whatever the case may be, whatever my clients, my prospects are looking for. Now, typically, if your prospect made it this far down your funnel, you would have built so much value, so much trust with that person that they may even shoot you a DM. And then going back to the middle section of the funnel, nurturing, getting to know their problem, you're going to start a conversation, get to know them, solve their problem. And from there, your goal is to actually book some sort of strategy or game plan call. As you can see on the right, it says pre-sales call delivery video. Now, this is just an extra tip. If you don't want to waste your time on that call with someone that doesn't really know what they want to do, doesn't really know what you do, which they should by this point. You wouldn't hop on a call with anyone that doesn't know what you do or how you help. You can actually make some sort of video kind of pre-qualifying them before that call, so they do have the intent to buy, to listen, and just make sure that they know why they're there. That is the social success system. This is the system that I'm using inside of my business that has allowed me to go from 0 to $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue. And I can guarantee 110 million% that you can do the same inside of your business, inside of your online course, scale it to the fucking moon. All you have to do is implement the videos, run some paid ads, get some people flow into your page. How do I know this system works? If you're here watching this video, that's proof alone that it works. You're here, you're consuming, you're learning. If you go watch my other videos, that's even more proof that it works. That is the social success system. My name is Carlos Lopez. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy, you guys.